Hi Femme Founders, my name is Gia. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe now for more self-growth, self-care, and self-image. Okay, you're gonna want to stay till the very end. Here's how to instantly be glamorous every single day without spending any money, not a cent. Stay till the very end because the very last tip is the most important that you're gonna need to incorporate this ideal into your everyday life. So what is the definition of glamour? There is a Wikipedia definition, and then there's also the Oxford Language Dictionary definition. An attractive or exciting quality that makes certain people or things seem appealing. Example, the glamour of Monte Carlo. The next is the Wikipedia is glamour is the impression of attraction or fascination that a particularly luxurious or elegant appearance creates, an impression which intensifies reality. Typically, a person, event, location, technology, or product such as a piece of clothing can be glamorous or add glamour. The similar words are allure, attraction, attractiveness, fascination, charm, enchantment, magic, romance, mystique, etc. First up, I think it's important to acknowledge that it is a lot because there is a lot that can be considered glamorous and there's a lot that goes into it. First things first, there is no need to spend money to be glamorous because there are so many things, so many ways to have this mindset. It all starts with your brain. Look around the room. If you see all the items you have in your room, in your office, in your living space, all the items that you have that are tangible, those are all time, energy, and money spent. Being glamorous doesn't have to be buying a bunch of things. It doesn't have to be feeling new from wearing things that are new that you buy. It's totally a mindset, and all you need is your mind to open up. The best things in life are free, and so is having an abundance mindset versus a scarcity mindset. All you need is your mind to be expensive, elegant, and exuding glamour. When it's within you, and when you treat yourself in a very glamorous fashion, other people see it and you set the precedent. Other people will notice that and they treat you with the same respect how you treat yourself, and they will definitely take notes. It definitely can be contagious. First things first, surround yourself with things that are beautiful, that you absolutely love, that you hold a lot of treasure in and pride in. So say your grandma got you this purse 15 years ago that you hardly use, but it means so much to you, or a piece of jewelry, and have it out on your jewelry stand, have that purse out hanging on your door or on your, if you have like a hat rack or a coat rack, have those things out in presence. In my bathroom vanity in my office, I have a lot of my perfume, I have a lot of the makeup that I normally use, that I love to use, and that I want to use. Have a magazine open to a certain page where you loved whatever was on that page. You can have like Scientific American, something that inspires you, an article, or a beautiful editorial spread on Vogue, and have that page open every time you wake up or pass it by. If it's on your desk, if you come across some work and you see it, you get that feeling of invigoration all over again, because when it's out of sight, it's totally out of mind. When you have a beautiful cake, you will not eat it if you don't see it. I specifically got this wardrobe closet. It's really a bookcase. I got it to be clear glass because first off, it collects less dust. It also adds that sense of glamour, and it was only like $100 something from IKEA. I made sure that I wanted to see all the beautiful, lovely things that make me feel good. Even if I don't use them, I see them and I remind myself that, oh, life has a lot of fine, beautiful things. And you need to remind yourself that every day is full of the finer things. You make your old things feel new. I spent a lot of money on them. I worked really hard to get those things. You don't have to have a bunch of things out, just things that you love. If you have this one candle, this one scent that you love, put it out. You're more inclined to use it. When you have a space that you feel good about, you feel better. I know this person who had a room that was gray, and she said that it made her feel not so good. She painted it a color she loved. She was more in a better mood and noticed her attitude change just because of the color of her room. If you don't have a beautiful view, if you look out your window and it's your neighbor's wall, what you can do is create a view by hanging up art. I have art everywhere. It's my own art, and these frames are literally $20. Frames from IKEA, and it came with this mat board, the hard paper that comes around. The art that makes it look more serious. If you have a child's drawing with a mat board and a nicely framed, it looks like there was a lot of thought put into it. It just makes anything extra special. It's like a vignette. You can also change your screensaver to something beautiful, to a place that you love, to thing that is your personality, to like flowers. Your phone, my phone screen is a bird with a flower on its head because I love birds and it puts me in a better mood, really cute, and I love bumblebees. Anything to surround yourself with a visual. On my desk, I have an actual mood board of things I love, of my goals, and I remind myself every day by seeing those things just because they're out. Things that represent you. You can make a list of things like, what do I absolutely love? Or just walk through your home, walk through your room, find like your personal brand items. 5 things that absolutely stick out to you about your personality and how other people recognize you with. If you have a signature thing, have it out. That's your version of glamorous. If you don't have have a $100 coffee table book. You can just get a magazine or get a book you love. You can even frame like magazine images. I used to do this all the time. It was just another level of showing art and making it extra beautiful with a loving touch. A lot of people like flowers. I love flowers, don't get me wrong, but flowers are hard to keep up if you're not used to having flowers and all of a sudden you get flowers. It's hard to take care of them, especially if you don't know how to take care of them, and they also wilt and they also start to smell once they go bad. I actually have dried flowers. Like, I got them as a gift for my birthday, which was lovely. They're kind of expensive. They're like, for a little bouquet of them, it's like over $40 easily. So you want to invest in that, that's up to you. But I personally would have the flowers outside, do my research and make sure that they are flowers that grow in my area, thrive in this kind of climate so that they don't die right away and that they're in season. Just a heads up, having flowers and trying to make your space a livable and functional and beautiful place. And make your bathroom like a vanity, somewhere you are happy to get ready, like, and feel like a movie star. Don't make it too cluttered. You don't have to have all of your things out. You can just have the things that you use, the things that you love or aspire to, that inspire you. Hi fan founders, be sure to give this a like to help other people find this information, and be sure to subscribe now to get more on how to be glamorous instantly without spending any money. I have the next part coming out really soon, and it empowers people to have the information but also changes your life to actually implement it. So let me know in the comments if you try any of these tips, and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to check out the self-image series because I have so much more glow up content coming out, and I also have a 30 days of beauty series where I try beauty products for at least 30 days. Sometimes I've tried something for 4 years and then I review it. So if you want me to try something before you buy it, let me know in the comments below whatever products that you're interested in. I also have some clothing hauls coming up for fall, autumn, and winter fashion. So stay tuned and subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.